Z-Push is a Brazing-free push-to-connect fitting designed for HVAC copper tubing.
No special tools or brazing skills are required. Installation is simple and fast. Here are the pressure and temperature rating of Z-Push. Z-Push is compatible with a wide range of mainstream refrigerants. Z-Push is available in various sizes and connection types. Z-Push uses a dual HNBR sealing structure for reliable long-term performance. Simply loosen the nut, replace the locking ring, and reinstall it following the standard procedure. Z-Push is ideal for flameless required sites, tight spaces, renovations, and urgent projects. Z-Push reduces installation time, labor, and the need for brazing gases. Z-Push comes with multiple international certifications and extensive patent protection.